The universal magnetic ring alloy is a durable and versatile tool that magnetizes screwdriver bits to prevent screws from falling out. Made from hard and impact-resistant metal, this magnetic ring reduces abrasion to the screw and screwdriver head, extending the lifespan of your tools. It's perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors who want to work more efficiently and effectively. With a 6.35mm squared screwdriver bit, this magnetic ring is easy to use and provides strong magnetism that helps hold screws in place. The multi-purpose heavy-duty shock screwdriver chisel bits is a versatile tool for loosening frozen bolts and stubborn fasteners. It features a detachable head for use with screwdriver head and sleeve, with smooth edges and non-slip design. Made of high-hardness steel, it is durable and can withstand tough tasks. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this tool is a must-have for any toolbox. The Vernier Caliper marker pen is a practical tool for students and professionals, featuring a 1.0mm ball-point tip for smooth writing. Its long-lasting ink does not smudge, while the comfortable and non-slip grip makes it easy to use for extended periods. This pen is particularly useful for marking measurements and notes directly on workpieces when using vernier calipers, improving workflow and efficiency. The wireless digital microscope provides up to 50x magnification, making it suitable for science, education, hobbies, and exploration. With 2 million pixels and 1080 PHD picture quality for smartphones and 720p for computers, it captures clear and high-quality images. The built-in 8 dimmable LEDs provide optimal viewing, even in low light. It functions as a camera, allowing you to zoom in, take photos, and record videos. It is easy to charge and use, making it convenient for on-the-go. Suitable for all ages, the microscope is a fun and educational tool for exploring the world. The hand angle grinder converter is a high-quality tool that turns your angle grinder into a cutting machine. With its stable base, it allows for safe and easy cutting and grooving. The converter maintains 0 to 45 degrees cutting well, making it perfect for DIY projects, and can handle saw blades with up to 125mm squared diameter. The cutting depth and width can be adjusted to meet different needs, and installation and removal are quick and easy. This converter is an excellent addition to your toolkit, expanding the capabilities of your angle grinder. The Multiangle Mini Welding Magnet Clamp is a versatile and compact tool that offers a range of angles for welding and fabrication work. With its strong magnets and small size, it is easy to handle and perfect for use in tight spaces. The ability to link multiple magnets together increases the holding strength for larger jobs, making it a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The compact size of the mini ratchet wrench makes it an ideal tool for working in confined spaces where larger wrenches cannot fit. The dual drive head allows for versatile use with both screwdriver bits and sockets, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. The 15-teeth ratchet provides smooth and efficient operation, while the thumb switch makes it easy to change the drive direction. The small swing arc required to operate the wrench is ideal for tight spaces, making it a valuable tool for DIYers and professionals alike. Overall, the mini ratchet wrench is a reliable and efficient tool that can help make any job easier. The magnetic pivot drill bit is a durable and versatile tool that provides convenience and efficiency when drilling or driving screws. Its strong magnet holds onto screws, while its 20 degrees pivot mode allows access to tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. Compatible with a range of tools, it greatly improves work efficiency and speed. This must-have tool is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tradespeople. The angle grinder electric drill conversion is a versatile tool that can convert an angle grinder into an electric drill. It is made of tungsten steel and angle steel blade for durability and high torque. It has a classic 3-jar design that accommodates a wide range of hand drills and is compatible with most electric angle grinders. This tool is great for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, providing multiple functions with one machine. The electric drill stand holder is a versatile tool that can be used with a drill or high-power electric grinding as a grinder, or with an electric drill soft shaft as an electric grinding tool. It is lightweight and convenient, making it a necessary tool for both household and small factory use. The operation is easy and convenient, with a length of about 278 millimeters squared for the electric drill or electric grinder and a clip that can hold a desktop with a thickness of up to 71 millimeters squared. The fixed diameter is 38 millimeters squared, making it suitable for a variety of drilling and grinding tasks. This 360-degree adjustable universal drilling hole tool is a high-quality tool made of durable metals. It is designed to be adjustable, allowing it to fit a variety of drilling needs. The compact structure of the tool makes it lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for use on job sites or in home workshops. It is important to note that when using the tool for drilling, water should be added to the drill for safety and optimal results. The hole punch plier is a versatile and durable tool for leather craft and household use. Made of high-quality materials, it provides long-lasting performance. Its comfortable grip and spring-loaded mechanism make hole punching easy and precise. With multiple hole sizes, it offers versatility for a range of leather products. A must-have tool for leather workers and hobbyists. The 360 degrees mini rotary fixture PCB holder is a durable tool for electronics repair, with a 360 degrees rotation and detachable design for easy cleaning. It has a firm clamping mechanism and a weighted base for stability, and a universal chip slot structure for IC clamping. With a heatsink design and made from environmentally friendly stone, it is easy to use and transport, and ideal for anyone working with electronics. The Lyle shaft type seal puller is an adjustable tool used to remove cam and crankshaft seals without damaging the shaft. It features a hook that can be adjusted to engage the seal, a push rod to brace against the engine head, and a handle to remove the seal. This tool is essential for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who need to replace or remove seals. The Precision Mountain Bike Tensiometer is a lightweight and durable tool designed to measure the tension of bicycle spokes on various types of wheel sets. Made of high-strength aluminum alloy, it features a comfortable grip and is suitable for use by wheel builders and repair technicians. This tool is a must-have for anyone who wants to ensure the proper tension of their bicycle spokes, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.